When help is needed, time is of the essence. But if it arrives too late on the ground, only a guardian angel from the air can help.
Der Notausschubeinsatz im Hochgebirge verlangt höhere Anforderungen.
Helicopter rescue operations in mountainous areas are more demanding and require greater flexibility than rescues on flat terrain. Winch rescues from mountainsides are called for at times, and occasionally a large number of people have to be rescued from defective cableways. In both cases, efficiency, high-altitude performance, and suitable technical equipment are a must, as well as special crew training and smooth teamwork. The EC135, the rescue helicopter from Eurocopter. A rescue exercise near Obergurgl in Austria. The EC135 is on its way to help a mountain climber who has fallen down a cliff face. The EC135 and its equipment are ideal for mountain rescue work. The size, weight, and efficiency of the EC135 fit the bill perfectly for a modern air ambulance. Luckily, this accident is only an exercise. But situations like this are unfortunately common occurrences in the high Alps. Since not only a speedy rescue but also medical aid is usually required, a doctor is lowered to the scene of the accident together with an Alpine air rescue paramedic. Securing the scene of the accident, providing first aid and rescuing the victim in a rescue bag are all part of the team's routine. The doctor and paramedic remain in radio contact with the pilot and the winch operator. During a winch rescue, the crew members do their utmost to move the victim gently. The paramedic uses an anti-rotation line to stop the rescue bag from spinning. Smooth teamwork is ensured by radio communication. Even during winch operations, the patient can be loaded easily into the hovering rescue helicopter. Quiet and stable hovering, excellent climbing ability, precise maneuverability, and outstanding visibility are the essential features of an air ambulance for mountain missions. High buildings or constructions such as the Ferris wheel on the Prater in Vienna are also potential sites of accidents that are difficult to reach from the ground. If the Ferris wheel ever broke down and there was a medical emergency in one of the top cars, the EC135 could prove to be a guardian angel. Air rescue operations over the city pose similar problems to mountain rescue operations. The paramedic must again secure the site of the accident. Providing medical aid and loading the patient in the rescue bag are exactly the same, whether in the city or in the mountains. Recovering the doctor and the patient, whom the paramedic secures with an anti-rotation line, are also part of the crew's routine, which is aided by modern technology. A thermostatically controlled heating system and minimum vibration considerably enhance the comfort of the patient and crew. Although rescue operations in the mountains and over urban areas are similar in most respects, some requirements differ. Low noise levels are of great importance when approaching hospitals, which are usually situated in highly populated areas. Quietness, stability, climbing ability, maneuverability, and versatility. These are the hallmarks of a guardian angel. On some missions, a special rescuer is required. A tracker dog whose acute sense of smell cannot be replaced by even the best technology. A combination of technical efficiency, human experience, and a canine sense of smell is particularly called for in the case of avalanches or other disasters in inaccessible places. Flying does not come naturally for four-legged helpers, but thanks to a great deal of patient training, the dog has become accustomed to such operations. No sooner have the dog's paws touched the ground than it dashes off, leading the paramedics towards the target. The badly injured must be rescued swiftly but gently. This is no contradiction in terms, since the EC135 has various options to provide quick but gentle transport. Loading the patient from the side or the rear presents no problem. Whether the patient is loaded from the rear or the side, everything can be done inside the rescue helicopter to provide the necessary medical care during transport. The interior has been newly designed and includes state-of-the-art medical equipment. Blood pressure stabilization, transfusions, ventilation, and oxygen can all help to stabilize the condition of seriously injured patients during transport. Further intensive care is provided at the hospital. The EC135 is underway again. In this operation, tourists have to be rescued from a chairlift. Although this is just an exercise, an emergency in which people are stuck between heaven and earth is certainly a possibility. And so is their rescue. The double hook for the EC135 was developed and certified by us in Tyrol. The Christophorus Air Rescue Association had to be set up within the Austrian Automobile, Motoring and Touring Club because only in this way could permission be obtained to transport people from a fixed cable. The use of a fixed cable requires the pilot to maneuver the helicopter with consummate skill in order to lower the paramedic precisely onto the chairlift. It is the paramedic's job to prepare the lift occupants physically, mentally, and technically for the imminent rescue. The EC135, which seats 6 people, lowers other rescue paramedics onto neighboring chairs and then returns to the first chair. The paramedic has meanwhile fastened the passengers and himself into so-called Petzl seats. The rescue can begin. A combination of an outside load mirror and a double hook ensures safe transport of the human cargo. The fixed cable demonstrates its advantages by transporting several people without any delay. In the meantime, the paramedics have prepared the next group of people for transport, and the EC135 can begin the next rescue, rotation without delay. Our EC135 system has proven its value in countless operations in the high Alps. The best help is only useful if it arrives in time. And by doing the right thing at the right time, rescuers become guardian angels. The EC135 from Eurocopter.